Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to play NBA Live Mobile offline. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the middle, you're gonna find Live Pass, Live Today, PvP, limited time events, showdown, and last day campaigns. Basically, guys, if you are offline, the only mode that you can play is the campaigns mode. Here in the bottom, you're gonna find also some sections like my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. So basically, guys, you can play campaigns if you are offline. And then right here, if it's your first time playing campaign, the only mode that you're gonna find is Rising Stars. Click on it, and right here you're gonna find the available missions. So I still didn't complete Volume 1, so we're gonna click on Volume 1. And after you click on Volume 1, you're gonna find all of the available missions and also your progress. So right now we're gonna click on this first mission. Click on Continue. So basically, guys, once you click right here, go ahead and click on Play. And then you need to check your team from here. You can change your players and so on. And then click on Play. And once you do that, as you can see, guys, now the game is loading. And now we are playing, as you can see, guys. So you need to just follow the missions that they tell you. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.